5 Easy Ways to Lower Your Cholesterol on a Keto Diet. High cholesterol levels have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. While the ketogenic diet has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels in some people, it's important to take additional steps to ensure that you're keeping your cholesterol levels in a healthy range. Here are 5 easy ways to lower your cholesterol on a keto diet. Choose healthy fats. While the keto diet is a high-fat diet, not all fats are created equal. Choose healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats found in red meat and high-fat dairy products. Incorporate fiber-rich foods. Foods high in fiber, such as vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, can help lower cholesterol levels. While the keto diet restricts many high-carb foods, it's still possible to incorporate fiber-rich foods into your meals. Some examples include broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, avocado, berries, and nuts. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, on most days of the week. Even small changes, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, can make a difference. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption has been linked to high cholesterol levels. If you do choose to drink alcohol, limit your intake to 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Monitor your cholesterol levels regularly. Monitoring your cholesterol levels is important to ensure that they're in a healthy range. Talk to your healthcare provider about how often you should have your cholesterol levels checked and what your target levels should be. In summary, while the keto diet can be an effective way to lower cholesterol levels, it's important to make healthy choices and incorporate other lifestyle factors, such as exercise and limited alcohol consumption, to ensure optimal heart health. By following these 5 easy tips, you can help keep your cholesterol levels in check and reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke.